just jumped down. I don't know where he is. He's down here somewhere.
Did he go down? No.
Might have gone back up. Somebody check the entrance on the freeway side.
We both did it!
Of looking for another.
Hey, Sheriff. Still northbound Alta.
Going up to the hills now.
I had my seatbelt on! Oh, Sheriff.
Wow, can someone come res me? I fell off the building.
Oh my god, you goof.
Oh!
Did you just do the same?
Don't look over. Do not look over. Just to trust. You gotta repel.
You guys are
Mama, save
goofs.
us.
I'm coming,
Save
I'm
us.
coming.
I jump off
Oh
the
my
building to
God.
save me.
I got squad down.
I need help.
Okay.
Oh!
Throw those things.
Give me a call.
Good
Mr.
call.
White.
Good call. I got both of them. Suck my asshole. Hang around. One thing about me, chat, is my boys deserve the best. Hold on. Don't breathe. Don't move. All right? So you gotta get you some birthday titties.
It's over it. Come on. Motherfucker. Alright, fuck it. You want some of this? That was you. Oh, fuck. Ow. That was the fan. That was the ceiling fan. Ah, my fingers. My fingers. Holy shit. Let me turn that thing off. That hurt like a son of a bitch. Oh my god. It's gonna make Dawn come out. Holy shit.
Bro, I bet we crash within like 5 minutes. You wanna race me? No, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm okay. I'm okay, what the hell was that, asshole?
I won.
We gotta go fast. We're playing Fortnite and shit. I'll buy on here. Wait, I'll buy on here in about 30 minutes. That's how I read that. I'll be. Last one's easy. Woo! Free ball, no! So you have a raw reaction to this as well?
Yes, it just blew my eardrums out, so great
fuck.
start.
Okay, so be prepared for that. Alright. Oh
Yeah.
my god, no
Yeah.
kidding. Holy shit.
That's it.
Bro, this man is getting violated by all these drones right
Leave me
now.
alone.
Is
Leave
this
me
you,
alone.
Marshall? Dude, you are getting fucking violated by all of us.
Oh my god.
So, Ruby, are you gonna tell him the name?
Hey, this you?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What up?
You are bleeding bad.
Oh, am I
ain't even
bleeding?
gonna lie.
Did I
You
get
are
hit? Oh my
bleeding.
god, I'm bleeding! Holy shit! Look at what? Oh my god! What? Ah! Somebody help!
Baby, you got banned?
Don't make me do it. I'll
shoot
do
powder
it.
right
I swear to God, I'll do it. I will shoot right now.
You know what? Just for that.
Come in.
What did you make me do? You know what?
No! Just expose a little cookie. That's gonna be one end of your straw. You're gonna make a straw, chat. Okay? I learned from an Australian himself, so I know this is right. And then you're gonna drink a little bit of your drink. Okay? You're gonna get it in your mouth. It's gonna start melting the chocolate in the inside. Now, when you bite into this, Oh my, I don't even know how to explain this, chat. You, oh god, it's coming down. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, it's so good though. Yep, I'm gonna break something. I'm gonna break something. Can you blow that car up?
No, I'm playing.
I'm a dumbass. Oh my god. I just boogie by myself. Right. There was no way I was gonna win that, bro. They were moving like a unit. A squad of Peter Griffins? Are you kidding me? What is that shit? Yo, chat. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are on this planet. I hope it's a good one. God dang. Who was in here first? Who was it? Zach? You dirty dog, what are you doing? You ain't off, you at work right now. Zach the Mystical Rose, welcome back, good to see you. How you doing? Stanley, bro, -29 is disgusting. Like, what is that, bro? That should not even be illegal. Or that should be illegal. That shouldn't even be illegal. That should be illegal. Good morning, chat. It is 8:09 Central USA right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm tired as shit, I ain't gonna lie. It was hard getting up. So, the plan for today is to kind of learn some script coding stuff, Python. Now, I will say, yo, Key, welcome back, brother. How you doing? Good morning, good morning. I will say, waking up this morning, my first, because here's the thing, chat. Yami gave me a couple things to read. Did not have time to read them on my off time. I really didn't have a whole lot of off time, but I did have time to read them. So, we're gonna read them today. I mean, I'm gonna use my game development time to read about my game development. So I woke up this morning and I was like, I do not feel like reading about script code. Like, this shit sounds like it sucks, right? Because I mean, that everybody, whenever you think about making a game or like do anything, what everybody thinks is like, oh, the lines of code and this and that. So I was like, oh, I do not want to do that. So I did get on, okay? I looked at what we have to read, which is, I mean, it's really not bad. But I'm glad I didn't have to read it on this damn link that I got. Because you guys see how bright my face is? Yeah, well, that's how bright this fucking website is. So what I did was I copied the entire thing into a Word document. Obviously, Word document has dark mode. Put it all into a Word document, and then we're going to have Microsoft Word read to us. So we don't even have to read. So I have my notebook here today. Okay, we got my notebook. It says Python up there. And I'm going to take notes from these, from this thing, and we're going to just kind of roll with it. You know what I mean? Okay, that's good for you. Yeah, see? So now I don't even have to read, and I don't have to worry about any of that. I can just listen, take notes, and then, like, rewind if I need to. So shout out Microsoft Word. Yeah, your boy's smart. Because let's be honest, chat. This coding part's going to be like watching paint dry, right? Like, this is the part that nobody likes, I feel like. Maybe some people do like it. Maybe we will like it. But typically, this is the part that nobody likes. So, we don't need these vibes early in the morning. Let's go chill. I forgot what I was saying. I forgot what I was talking about. The party music started, and I'm like, God damn, not yet. I do need to get water. We will probably make breakfast as well while we do this. It's gonna be a super low energy vibes. Super low energy, but this is needed. I mean, this is important. We cannot, if we're gonna make a game, let's be realistic, chat. If we're gonna make a game, we cannot just avoid script code. So I mean, it's part of the learning process. So some of these days are probably gonna be like this, but we'll keep on keeping on. That's good because I don't want to see you try to pronounce the big words 3 or 4 times. Yeah. Oh, for 3 minutes. Yeah, fair. See, and that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, especially a language that we don't understand. Oh, God. Now I just can hit a rewind button and it'll reread the whole line. Boom. Boom. Y'all want to see the setup? Here, I'll show you the setup. Boom. So just to scroll and show you guys what all I would have had to read. So this is one page. This is one page, or this is like one thing. Right? All right, I'm about to give you guys a flashbang warning, okay? Everybody, flashbang warning. Your screen is about to be really fucking bright. If it's dark, it's about to turn really bright. All right. God damn. So that's that first one, and then we have this one. And then we got 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 this one. So that's kind of what we got going on today, chat. Like I said, we'll kind of break it up, kind of be chilling. Let me turn this off. We'll kind of be chilling and just taking notes. I need to make sure I take good notes, because I genuinely do want to learn this stuff. And honestly, if somebody's going to put in the time to help me, give me the material, I need to take the time to actually learn it. So I'm excited for this. So bear with me. But yeah, we'll take a couple breaks. I'll take you guys downstairs. Maybe we'll make a little bit of breakfast. I don't know what we're going to make. Maybe bagel bites. Let's be real. But yeah, we'll be chilling. Tomorrow morning, what code is this? I think this is about Python. Doom said, Python, my favorite script to mess with. Yeah, we're going to be reading about Python. I don't know anything about Python at all. So I'm pretty excited for it. Pretty excited for it. Doom, welcome back, brother. How you doing? I will say, also cheers, Stanley. I don't know if you got a glass of OJ. Cheers. I would say I used to take a web page design class in like fucking middle school, maybe. So I think I learned about HTML code. I don't know if they go hand in hand at all, but I think that's as far as my knowledge goes. Yo, Shallow says cheers. Welcome in, brother. We're going to be doing some chill, lo-fi vibes today. Be learning. We're going to be learning, chat. All right, so what I'm going to do, just so you guys know, and I need you guys to kind of help me make sure I'm understanding this right, okay? So whenever we get through like maybe one whole page right here, I will kind of sum up what we went over, and you guys can kind of keep me on track if like I'm thinking of it right or not, because I think that's going to be the best way of me learning, is be like, okay, so let's sum up what we just learned, basically yada, 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 and you guys can be like, yeah, or fucking no, Powder, you missed a whole damn point here, okay? So that way I can kind of stay engaged and we're not just brain dead drooling, staring at this while it reads to us. How's that sound, chat? Y'all down to keep me on track, man? Because y'all know how my squirrel brain goes. Similar but different syntax and aprons. Back when you had to boot up the internet, right, Powder? What, HTML? Oh my god, that's crazy. I'm not that old. Bro, you're older than I am. No, wait, actually, I think I'm older than you, huh? Fuck. Fuck. All right. Let's stop jamming out. We gotta read. All right. So all we gotta do to make it read. I don't know if you guys knew this was a thing, chat. Oh, it doesn't show you. Here, let me show you my screen so you guys can see. All right. So all you gotta do, if you guys don't know, is right click and then hit press out loud. Okay, it ain't doing it. Read out loud. Hold on, we gotta start over. Boom. Who's old? I'm old, apparently. I just talk about my webpage design. Stanley's like, back when you had to boot up the damn internet? When you had to jump on the treadmill, you know, get it running? You're older, dickhead. Damn it. All right, so we're gonna let this thing read to us, chat. The volume, though, I might need to turn up. Is it good for you guys? Can you guys hear it okay? I might need to turn it up for me. .3.5. Wait, 0.4. Okay, that's going to be important. So I'm going to write that down. I can already tell that's going to be important. Comments are any text to the right of the symbol. To the right of the hashtag symbol. Okay? Comments are any text to the right. Or any text to the right. Text to the right of the hashtag symbol. Yo, chat, we should do a top-down view. Y'all want to watch me take notes or what? The hashtag symbol. It is mainly useful as notes for the reader of the program. Okay, so comments are any text to the right of the hashtag symbol. We're going to highlight that too. I'm going to save this in my Word. Comments are any text to the right of the hashtag symbol and is mainly useful as notes. Is mainly useful as notes for the reader of the program. For the reader of the program. You guys want yes, note time? Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I think I can do this. Here, let's listen to music. All right. I think I can do this. I think I can make it to where you guys can see my notes. My ADHD would make this impossible to learn. I need visuals, interactive things. I'm a sped. Hey, bro, that's fair. That's fair. I mean, even me, I'll get distracted easy. Comments are your friend. Don't write, just does this. Don't write, just does this. Give it a bit more context, like what it pulls. Make the comment a bit more useful. Okay. Okay, there's examples. We're going to write this down here. Let me get it. I'm really trying to think how I could do this. My phone's not really charged. Think. All right, I think I got it. I think I can do this. Yeah, we'll do something like that. Can you guys see my phone in the reflection? No, okay. All right, this will work. This will work, chat. I think this will work. Come on, damn it. Droid cam. Hold on. Hold on. Droid Cam Pro upgrade for all features, including HD video, no ads, cancel. Okay, I think. Droid Cam 1. Pop some tabs. Only got $20 in my pocket. Back. Fucking awesome. Ah. For the culture. The real culture. Can't say that one. All right. All right. I think this is going to work. I think this is going to work. Jump scare. Chat, trust me, I don't know how to make this better. Maybe like this. All right. You guys probably can't even see that, can you? You guys probably can't even see that, can you? How is that? Is that all right? So like, if you have function, Yammy, welcome in. How you doing? So Yammy, I did not have time to read this stuff. So what we're doing is we are going to go through it now on stream. So we'll kind of take our time, all that stuff. Oh, the double audio. You're right. Sorry. All right, we should be good now. Yeah, we should be good now. Double sound from both mic and camera. We got it. We should be good. Mute the camera. Yeah, we should be good. All right, so we are going to take the time today and kind of take our time. We got 3 hours, so we're chilling. We'll kind of go through everything. Highlight what's useful. I'm also writing it down so it kind of sticks in my brain. I'm going to save these files on my computer, but I'm also going to have it in my notes as well, because I feel like if I read it out loud a couple times, write it down, it'll actually kind of stick. So that's kind of what we're doing right here. We are having the Microsoft Word read to us as well, so we don't have to worry about messing anything up or misinterpreting anything. All right, so what we got here? Example. Oh yeah, we need to write this example down. Example. Print hello world. Print hello world. Hashtag. Note that print is a function. I don't get why that's important. Note that print is a function. Or hashtag note that print is a function. Print. Oh. The print is what's in the parentheses. Okay. Or that print is a function. All right. Hello world. Use as many useful comments as you can to in your program to explain assumptions, explain important decisions, explain important details. Okay, this is important. We need to write this down as well. All right, so here's our thing caught up. Here, we'll hit play. Okay, I'm going to write that down as well, especially if it's in different words or fonts. This, I don't know if we need to necessarily write this. We don't need to, I mean, this is all going to be good, useful stuff, but I want to write things that should kind of stand out. So Doom kind of, I gave an example that makes a little more sense. Oh, sorry. Also, Powder, if you're having issues, feel free to DM me. To give it a 1000%. So if is this your thing? So like if you have a function XYZ, a comment would be like make my dick larger using variables X, Y, and Z for length, width, and depth. Oh, and will it make the dick larger in those variables? That's a crazy ass reference, by the way. He's like, go back and reread my comment. All right, use as many useful comments. Yeah, I mean that's we'll kind of sum that up. We'll put this top part just so we remember. Use as many useful comments as you can in your program to explain assumptions, explain important decisions, wait, how do you spell decisions? DIACISIONS / detail. Okay. Problems. Trying to solve. You're trying to solve. All right. Code tells you how, comments tell you why. Code tells you how. Comments tell you why. All right, I feel like that was important. I'm going to keep going. Hold on. Okay. Okay, literal constants. We need to highlight. It's called a literal because it's literal. You use its value literally. The number 2 always represents itself and nothing else. So numbers. I mean, just like it said, like numbers. Literally 5 means 5. Nothing else is it isn't code for anything. 5 doesn't mean triangle. It means literally 5, right? Am I getting that? I think I'm getting that. Does that make sense? It's called literal because it's literal. That if as long as yep, I got it. Okay. So then that's all I need to write for that. That makes sense to me. That makes sense. Okay, literal. It's called literal because it's literal. You use its value literally. Literally. You use its oh shit, I forgot an L and an A. Literally. All right. That's fair. I know that. Numbers. Okay. Hold on. We need to highlight this as well. Ah, shit. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. I know what it's saying. But, like, I mean, is this important for coding? Like the E? Is that why it's telling me? Like, why do we got to give the example to the power of 10? Is that something important, though? I think that's why it's doing the example to the power of 10. Don't worry about it. Okay. Numbers, yeah, I feel okay with that. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see down the line. Boom. That's the important part here. String. A string is a sequence of characters, basically a bunch of words. A string is a sequence of characters. Basically, just a bunch of words. All right, that's fair. Okay. Quote, you will be using strings in almost every Python program that you write, so pay attention to the following part. Okay. Single quote. This is important, chat. Okay. Okay, there was a lot to unpack there, I think. Okay, strings. A string is a sequence of characters, basically a bunch of words. Okay. Single quote. You can specify, strings using single quotes such as quote me on this. Okay. With white space, i.e., spaces and tabs within the quotes are preserved as is. Okay. String in a double quote. So what I'm confused on the difference between these. What's the quote? Is this a quote? Oh, so the quotes. Okay. Yeah. I get it. Oh, I get it. This part. Yeah. Okay. So quote me on this. This is like first person, like me talking to myself. This is like a character talking. Okay. You can specify multi-line strings using triple quotes. Okay. That makes sense. You can change strings. Some can be converted back to numbers, which double quotes are better. 5 can be converted back. Oh, okay. Okay, that doesn't make sense to me. But I'm gonna keep going. I think I understand. I think I'm understanding what this is saying. I think I'm understanding. Okay, so double quotes. So this is like a character talking, asking a question. And then this is a multi-line string. This is the first line. This is the second line. This is like a narration, I feel like. So this is like the narrator. So I want to say single quote is me talking to myself or saying like, hey, this is like, quote me, like this is me. Double quotes is like the character, like you're just quoting a character saying whatever it's saying, like the character's asking you what your name is. The triple quote is like the narration of the whole scene together. That's what I'm pulling from this. Single quote can specify strings used in single quotes such as quote me on this. Work exactly the same way as single quotes. What's your name? So that's encoding. There's single quotes. Double quotes, and then triple. Triple quotes, okay. I don't know if I actually got a grasp on that. I don't know, but that's okay. We'll keep going. I'm going to have her reread this, actually. Okay, so strings are immutable. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this first part. That seems like the best part to highlight. And then obviously this and the quotes. And then using triple quotes, we'll highlight this. And then the example, basically. All right. Let's see. Note for C++ programmers. Note for PER, Perl, and PHP programmers. Okay? There is no separate character data type in Python. There's no real need for it. I am sure you won't miss it. Okay. Okay, the format method. Sometimes, here, let it read to us. if you feel like it'll help you, running Python is a matter of 2 minutes and you can try shit out. Very true. Yeah, that might help actually. It'll like kind of give me a chance to get in there and play around a little bit. That might help. So it's zeros and ones. Okay, so print 0. And I'm assuming 0, you would just have to say as your character was 1 year old, which is 20, when he wrote this book. Format, name and age. Oh, you can save the format for that person, I'm assuming. The concepts that matter, but maybe trying will make more sense. It's the concepts that matter, but maybe trying it will make more sense. I just need to see why and what it does. I mean, this is probably what it exactly would look like right here. But I don't know either. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. How do I run Python? Okay, so sometimes we may want to construct strings from other information. This is where the format method is useful. Yeah. I sent 2 links in Discord. All right, Python. Oh shit, I downloaded 13. I downloaded 3.13.1. Oh shit. I downloaded 3.13.1. Oh, okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right. Install now. We're installing.
So it's unusual to me. So I want to sit here and play with it.
Roman, what's up, homie? How you doing? Type some shit and see what it does. Knowing all the lingo before starting isn't necessary. Learning the lingo as you start to need it is better. I can see how that could be useful, yeah. Because it's a lot of information to take in. Robin said, Patter! I'm doing good, bro. Okay. What you got planned for today? Damn, it's 9 o'clock. You up early. Aren't you up late too? I think I'm installing it. Websites that don't do dark mode, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, you got work. Download complete. Do I need to open it? Is this it? You gotta clock in 9 minutes. Oh, you gotta clock in at 9? I got you. You can type it in CLI, but it's a pain. Okay, I'm gonna get this use code user setup, install VS Code as well. Okay, let me install this. I need to get more storage on my shit, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Oh, man. All right. I tend to use JetBrains Community Edition for Python. Oh, so there's different edition or what? Okay, so it says use AI features with Copilot for free. You can use Copilot to generate code across multiple files, fix errors, and ask questions about your code and much more using natural language. Should I enable that? It says for free. Different editors. I got you. Okay. Watch video tutorials, unlock productivity, tune your settings, rich support for all your languages, choose your theme. Nah, we don't want that shit. I mean, if you want to. Nah, I mean, hey, I'm trusting the process. I don't know what I'm looking at here, though. If I'm going to be 1,000% honest. Cause I'm bad. Alright. What we doing here? Install that Python thing? I think I did. What we doing here? Nah, I'm just joking. Oh, this? Oh, this? Both of them? Wait. Python versus VS Code. Python language supports with extension access points for... Oh, just the first one. Okay. What else is here? Live server. Uninstall. The environment variable path seems to have seen containing the characters. File. Create a file. GG's. First icon. Make a folder and open it. Wait, do I need to create a file? First icon, make a folder, and open it. Like on my desktop, I can do that. First on the border of the window. Oh, this. Oh, open folder. Add a folder. Add a folder. Python. What should we name it? Python. Python learning. Add. Oh, it's not. Is it because I have a space in there? Python learning is not a valid folder name. Why? Why can't I name it what I want to name it? Need to make the folder. Oh, okay. Folder. I thought that was making a folder. That makes a lot more sense. Do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? Yes. It says the environment variable path seems to have some paths containing the whatever characters. The existence of such character is known to have caused the Python extension not to load. If the extension fails to load, please modify the path to remove the quote characters. What are those called? I think they're the quotations. Quotes, yeah, the quotes. Okay. All right. So we have a folder. Python learning. We have a folder. Okay. I don't think I need this view. By the left, there's the name of your folder. If you put your mouse close to it, there'll be a plus icon. Click it. That one. New file. Okay. Okay. Now, is this where I type? I need a drink. Yes, name the file .py in the end. What do I type here, though? Oh. Okay, do I need that? I probably don't need that. I think I typed that, right? All right. Sometimes we may want to construct strings from other information. This is where the format method is useful. Save the following lines as a file. Okay, so this is where it has me doing this. Okay, so it says str, which I think is a string, right? String underscore format .py. Okay, is the one... Do I put 20 in here? Age equals 20? Can't see because of the camera? Oh. Yeah, we don't need the notes. Hold on. All right, there we go. Age equals 20. And then enter. So why does it stay yellow? Ah. Like that? So what I'm confused on, like, what else could I use this for? What is this string format for? Let me reread this. I don't think I'm understanding that part. It says sometimes we may want to construct strings from other information. This is where the format method is useful. Save the following lines as a file. Age is how you integrate variables number. Oh, wait. Age is now an integer variable. Integer. Name is a string or a text. The reason comes in the next two lines. Okay. How it works. Oh, do we need to keep reading here how it works? Why was 0 the output? Okay. Yeah, let's listen to this. Oh shit. So, could, instead of putting name here, could I just put... Because the format, instead of typing out... Why not just type out the name, though? Because what if I had... Let's say I had two names. Two different names. Would I have to do name 1 and name 2 equals powder and yammy, for example? Name 1 equals powder. Name 2 equals yammy. Format name. So I'm saving the name overall in the database, so I won't have to write powder every time, right? Name equals powder, and then when I go format name, it puts powder. Let me keep listening. Try it out and see why. Basically, if you do variable name is a string, not a variable. Then doesn't work. It's a way to explicitly tell the program what it is. You could, or a list name equals powder yammy, where the name 0, but where along the line does 0 equals powder and 1 equals yammy? When did it, like right now? So what I'm confused on is like obviously the 0 right here equals the name, because down here we see like 0, 0. Like I get that these match each other, but what tells me that 0 is the name and 1 is the whatchamacallit? 1 is the number. What tells me that these match? By the end of the print line, look at it. Okay, so you're saying like right here. Format. Age. Format. So, if I had... Hold on, I think I get it. So if I had... color equals yellow. So if I had color equals yellow and then wrote this space 2 book over here, I could then put comma color, and then now we have another variable. Did it just click with me? Boom. 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 So like, for example, if I were to put the color in the format in the first part, now 0 would become color. Yes? So if I put color in the first part right here, this is where it matters overall, I feel like. If I put color where green is right here, then 0 now equals green. Or now would equal color. This is where the order matters. Back here. So first spot, second spot. Now it doesn't, this is where the order tells, this is where it matters. Exactly that. This right here. Okay. So that way I'm not typing out, okay, 100%. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Because that really could be, these numbers could be fucking anything I need it to be. It just matters what I write back here. Okay. Okay, so do I just put that in this file line 3? Copy that in your code. So is this my code? Is this right here what I'm doing? So if I do color equals yellow. Wait, do I need the parentheses? Color equals yellow. Enter. And then I basically type all this. You said put it in there and press F5. And press F5. suggestion. Oh, it said debugger. Oh, wait. That did not do nothing for me. Oh, you want the debugger? Okay, Python debugger. The first one. Below the new window, look below the blue text. Potter was 20 years old when he wrote this yellow book. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. All right, format method. Okay, I am going to write that down, the format method. Cuz that makes sense, and I'm not sure another one would make sense for me. So we're going to go droid cam. Format method. The format method. Honestly, I don't need to really write what it is. I need to write this probably. There's plenty of syntaxes that you could use, by the way. You could do name, age, color, as well as the F in the beginning tells the format. Oh, so you don't even have to write the format. You just write F quotations, name, age, color as well. There's plenty of syntaxes that you could use, by the way. Okay. Okay. The format method. Okay, so we have I'll just write exactly what our example was so we can see. Yeah. So we'll do like this. Save the string format. I don't know, do we need to name it that? I'll just write it. Underscore format dot py. Got me like I fall apart. Yeah, y'all welcome. Woo! Cursing my name. Ow. All right. All right. That made sense. That made sense, chat. That makes sense. I understand that. Okay. That makes sense. I like that. I like that. I like that. It took us some time. We had to color coordinate a little bit. But hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Listen, as long as we understand it, that's the important part. Especially going into this with zero knowledge and being kind of self-taught, but with you guys, it's like, damn. So we're doing good here. I think we're doing really good. Okay, where did we leave off? Let's just hear how it works again. It ain't gonna hurt us. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, all that, that is ugly. Yes, it is. We do not fucking want to do that. Plus, quote is quote. Oh, yeah, fuck that. Mmm. Also note that the numbers are optional. That's a good highlight. But to be honest, the numbers make sense, but after doing it a while, I'm sure it doesn't make sense. Numbers are optional. All right. Yep, that makes sense. All that makes sense to me. It does. It does. It does. I feel good about that. Yep. It just, whatever this is needs to be specified back here. Ah. That's where the comment comes into place, and it's going to tell the program to notice the F literally before so it knows the format. That's the constant, right? No, that's a command. That's the command. Command. Comment. No, that's just a comment. Has no value to the program. Oh, that's just for me to notice. That's just telling myself, like, hey, notice the F. So you know that that's the format? That's to me? Okay. Okay. Add comment. All right. All right. We'll start it up here. I don't think I'll use that format. I don't think I'm going to use that format. The harder format, or the original format makes the most sense to me. So to stay confusing myself, I'm just going to roll with it. Roll with the original way. That way we don't fucking, jumble everything up and confuse ourselves. We'll just kind of do what made sense to us, what clicked with us first, which is like the original way. We ain't doing this new way shit. What? What the fuck are we talking about? Hold on. I got a question. Is this just another way to format it? Is this just a different way to format it? Do I have to know this format method, or can I still use mine? Is this important to what we're learning? Is this how I'll end up writing it? Or is the original way still good? Because if this is just another format, then it's new formatting, not a new method of doing so. So it's not, yeah, okay. So I can still do my original way, the way that made sense. I don't need to hang myself up on that. Okay. I don't know what the fuck she was talking about. I feel like though, okay, I mean, call me naive, but I feel like writing all this is so much more harder than the program just accepting me typing ABC. Like, that's the craziest part about this stuff, is that it has to get so complicated to do something so little. It's like, there's no way in hell that's the most efficient way to do this stuff. It's 2025. We're trying to get cars flying and shit. We have self-driving cars. We can't figure out a better way to, like, simplify this. You know what I mean? You can't just type what you want, literally. I guess that is literal, though. That is literal, though. You know what I mean? All right. All right. Escape sequences. This is new. This is something new. We got to pay attention. That's the way. C++ is way worse. Python is easy when it comes to that. Flying cars are planes. I mean, true. Actually, if you think about it. Hold on. I gotta go back. Okay. Okay, so let me see. So my question is Python about storytelling? Like, is that what Python script is used for? Is to, like, tell the stories from, like, the character's POV? Because what it looks, or does this, like, go into actual, like, mechanics in, like, a game? So, like, I could use a Python script, I type something, then it changes something in the game. Or is this for, like, narration, which is still good? I still want to learn it. I'm just trying to think, like, what is Python used for? Python is a programming language. What does that mean, though? Is a programming language. Yes. You can use it to make a planet if you want. Any and all. You could fucking do anything with Python. Or tell a story. We could make a planet right now with this, what program I got open right now, this CS workspace. Or code space. You can do anything with any program language, basically. That's crazy to think about. Okay. Okay. All right. We'll keep learning. Also, Jolt, welcome in. We are very new to this world of this stuff, so bear with me. I appreciate you for stopping. First time chat, everybody give a warm welcome. Yes, we're very new to this stuff. But I'm not going to give up, man. We're trying to make our first game, so we're not going to give up. It's going to probably take us a while, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Yo, Joe Code with the follow. Welcome in, brother. Rooting for you. Appreciate you. But some are better than others. Different applications. I got you. You won't actually use Python for at all for Unreal Engine 5. It's just the easiest to get started. Oh, okay. I mean, to get the basics, yeah, 1000%. Okay, for sure. Maybe looking at the site would be easier. There's syntax highlights in there. The problem with the site is that it's so bright, bro. Like, look at this. God damn, flashbang warning. You know what I mean? Like, that's the issue with the site. So that's why I put it into Word originally. So it would be dark mode. And then I found out that Word could read to me. I was like, damn, I don't even have to wake up and read this morning. We're going to go with it. I see. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, it was bright. 8 a.m. I'm like, oh God, my eyes. Yeah, so that's why we're in Word. Just for that. But no, I do get what you're saying, but damn. Flashbang. All right, so I mean that makes sense. Okay, let's keep on going. Okay. One thing to note is that in a string, a single backslash at the end of the line indicates that the string is continued in the next line, but no new line is added. What my question is why is it a problem if a new line adds? Does it just break the dialogue, basically? So if I didn't put this, then the paste would be literally first and second. Like it would be, instead of in the same group, it'd be like this. If I didn't have the backslash. The program fails. Okay. You'd end up with something like this. With weird gaps. Wait, I don't think it did it. But I get what you're saying. Okay, with weird gaps. Syntax is a way to tell the compiler what makes the program, how to parse it. Okay, so without the backslash, it would end up all fucked up. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's important. Let's see what else was important here. Is the tab. There are many more escape sequences, but I have mentioned only the most useful ones here. What if you wanted to specify a 2-line string? One way is to use a triple quoted string as shown previously, which would probably be what we use. Or you can use an escape sequence for the new line character /n to indicate the start of a new line. So what is the start of a new line? Maybe we start with a dumber question like that. What is the start of a new line and what does it do? Like, why is it important? Like, I get you guys said that it would have some gaps. I'm trying to think like visual wise. Like if you wanted to text split over lines. So maybe, so for example, if we're doing like a website page or just like a web page. So it would like, if I wanted a new line, it would literally put a new line of text on the page. Look at Discord. I'm in Discord. Oh, DMs. Okay. ABC versus ABC. Ah, okay. Try to make a comment and type multiple lines in your program. Press F5 to see if it works. Like this, ... gap here. This is a new line. It doesn't work, but different lines. Okay. So so try to make a comment equals and type multiple lines in your program. Okay, so a comment equals, so what? We're thinking like just what we have, the age, name, and color. So should I do like, it's literally syntax sugar? That's the funny shit. People say that AI will overtake humanity, but programs can't understand one-to-one if not typed in a weird way. Which is true. I don't think AI, to be honest, the way I see AI is I don't think AI is going to take over shit. Let's be real. I think just people are going to be able to come up with solutions a lot quicker. I mean, fuck. AI, I think AI is really good. I don't think it's going to take over people. The people that think that, I think fearmonger too much, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, I think AI is just going to be the new way to live. It's fucking, I think it's a form of evolution in a way. Like, we're growing as people. We're fucking putting brain chips in people's heads. You know what I mean? Now you compare that with AI. Now you have a superhuman. Oh, that's crazy. That's evolution. That's exciting. That means we're growing as a humanity. In my area of work, illustration / concept art, people are freaking out. But also, I mean, use that as like inspiration as well. You know what I mean? I can see both sides. Like, I'm not discrediting anybody on any sides. But like, honestly, I think if you don't embrace it, you get left behind, is the reality of it. If you don't embrace it and learn how to live with it, you'll get left behind. You'll get left behind, man. Not you specifically, Yami, but just in general. Like, that's the way I see it. It's either you get with it or you don't get at all. And then you just turn into one of those, one of the old people that's get off my lawn. Back in my day, the technology was like, that's where we're headed, right? So if we don't stick with the fucking shit, right? If we don't get with the program, we're going to be one of those old people that are like, back in my day, we didn't have all these AI shit. I actually had to type out my code. See, that, it's just, hey, listen, history repeats itself. Back before we had GPSs, our grandparents were saying, I had to use a damn map. I knew my highways. It's all the same shit, brother. It's just a new age, really. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, adapt and conquer, man. For sure. Because, I mean, we all heard it with our parents and stuff. Like, when smartphones came out and you basically could navigate, search the web, do whatever you want on the handheld. Even grandparents, even till today, will be like, them damn kids won't get off their phone. Back in my day, I had to go outside to have fun. Sorry, Gramps, it's new age, man. You know what I mean? That's how I see it, though. That's just, I'm optimistic, though. I like change in any aspect. I think change is really good. Because people get put in their ways, so change is good. All right, so let's get back to this. So what would I have to do to kind of see what I need to do? Doom kind of made sense. Let me type it out here. So Doom kind of made sense right here. And it was ABC versus ABC. So this is with a line. This is with a slash, right? This would be with the slash at the end of the sentence. So this would be Where would the slash go though? What would I have to type here? This is a sequence. Oh, you could do 3. You could do boom, boom. Oh, wait. Is it double quotes? Triple quotes? Would 3 make it all one line like this? And then without it, it would spread out like that? You won't have a calculator with you every day. Yeah, I got told that shit a lot. For real. For real. If you wanted something short like that, it would just be normal quotes. 3 is multi-line, 2 is single. So normal quotes would keep it all together. The triple quotes and backslashes are more for writing paragraphs and stuff. Oh, so this whole section is like to keep it, basically to like keep it like this. To keep it looking like it's all one section. That's all that's really used for, is to keep it looking like it's all one section. That's why you were saying it would make the spaces look weird. It would look all jacked up. There'd be fucking... Yeah, okay. Okay, the backslashes are just... Because I'm assuming... What? Just after you type so many characters, it'll just... Oh, no, you can type forever. So, at what point... What would tell you to make a new paragraph? This /n? Is that what this was? Where was it? Right here? The new line character. Is that /n? Would make up. So the slash by itself is nice for coding formatting, but it's hard to navigate if you have it all in one code line. Okay. Okay. If you wanted to specify 2-line string, one way would use triple quoted. /n is the common escape character for new lines. Yes. Check. Welcome in. First time, shout out everybody. Give a warm welcome. Okay. So if we needed a new character or a new paragraph, we could do /n. Now, is this at the end of the sentence? Like if this was my paragraph right here, I would have the /n right here at the end. Welcome in, welcome in. Yes, we are learning. Check, we are learning a little bit today. We're kind of taking our time, so bear with me. Yes, you would? Okay. So I'll just put that as an example. /n. And then I'm going to highlight that. Would make a new character. Okay. Otherwise, exactly. Okay. Otherwise, it would be all bunched up like this, and then you'd just never be able to tell. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Raw strings. Okay, this is new, chat. Raw strings. Now, I'm probably going to have to come back to this. I mean, let's be honest. I'm not going to remember this. But talking through it and, like, kind of working through the steps here, and then later on when I'm running into this, you can be like, yo, remember the /n? Remember this? Remember that? I'd be like, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. So this is good, I think. This is good. All right, raw strings. Raw strings. We have five or six documents to get through. We probably won't do them all today, to be honest, because I'm trying to take my time. But we will work through all of them. And if I have time this weekend to read them, I will. But I kind of like doing this on stream because you guys are actually helping me kind of dumb it down a little bit and like help me out. So yeah, I kind of like this. Hold on. It's useful to note that that strings are simple character sequences, that typeset text is far more complex. In typeset text is far more complex. That strings are simple character sequences and typeset text are far more complex. What is a typeset text? Have we gotten there yet, chat? What's a typeset text? Or far more, like, give me an example. Have we gotten there? Okay, so, if you need to specify some strings where no special processing such as escape sequences are handled, then what you need is to specify a raw string by prefixing R or R. Okay, so why would I need to do this? An example is R. New lines are indicated by /n. So is this me telling the program anytime I put /n, it's a new line? Or is /n not automatic if I put that? Okay. No, I do understand what you mean by string concept. The string concept is what we did earlier, right here. Right? Maybe. Paragraph setting concepts, not a string concept. Maybe. /n is just a symbol that represents new line. Vast majority of your coding time will be simple strings without formatting. Okay. Oh, without formatting. Okay. Well, formatting made sense to us, so that sucks. I think. All right. All right. The terminal is far more appropriate for displaying strings. Okay. Strings are like this, typing on this, right? Okay. Yami said F will process /n as new line. R/n will interpret /n as text. Okay. So so if I put R at the start of the quotations, it'll actually put this in the paragraph. Like it'll put this /n in the actual words, like with the whole sentence, instead of breaking the line. This is actually putting it in the words. Yes? Okay. R. Okay. 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 All right. You understand it a lot more if you play with it in your code. Yeah, I need to get used to coming over here and typing. You're right. The problem is I don't know. Okay, so give me an example of how this needs to be structured. I don't know how to start. Do I just start typing? I mean, fuck, what do I put here? Do I just type this in there? Let's see what happens. Nothing happened. See what I mean? Strings are more of a concept, but the terminal is highly appropriate for displaying representations of strings, so mostly yes. Just make some random shit and go from there. Best way to learn. Is this R or R part of the language syntax? I haven't seen it before. We can't see your code because... Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. So you say just go for random shit, but I don't know what you mean by go for random shit. Like, you got to think, I'm a baby. I've never seen this. I don't know what random shit means. I don't know, like, type here. You know what I mean? Like, none of this makes sense to me. Baby. What's the language? Python. Type print. Type. Oh, no. Print. Okay. Press F5. That does not look good. Do yourself a favor and press Alt Z. All right. Do I need to get all this other shit? Type here. All right, let's start over. This is what happens when you have the wrong syntax. Okay, bunch of red, a bunch of purple. You need to remove the other stuff. Okay. Oh, all this other stuff? All this other stuff? Like, I want to make a dialogue sequence. No? You okay? Okay. All right. You okay? All right. We're good. All right, let me try this again. Print. Okay. Quotations. /n, quotations, parentheses, enter. F5. Okay. So it still did this, what we did up here. Okay, that worked. But what'd it do? Oh, all this gap right here. All those ends gave me all these gaps right here. This is the end of it right here. Oh, okay. See? Hey, okay, I see. Okay. Do print end of line. Okay. I know, chat. Stop cheering for me. Thank you, guys. Oh, no. Hold your applause. All right. In print line. F5. End of line. Okay. So end of line. So we have. Oh. Okay. So now, if I needed to have something right here in this line, I need to put it in between 4 and 5, right? Otherwise, I'm going to always have a big, long gap. Now add an R at the beginning of... Okay. So we always... If I need it down here, I need it to literally print. So print... a parentheses. Quotes. Do I do print R or do I do print quotes R / N like this? Enter. Oh, shit. What the hell? R outside the quotes. R right here. R before the quotes. R. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, God. I'm pressing numbers. Okay, yeah, I see. The R actually puts them in. Okay. Okay, the R actually puts them in. Okay. I see. Okay. It's making sense. I'm smelling what y'all stepping in. I'm smelling what we're stepping in, chat. All right, what's next? Is this a useful language feature? Check. I'm not sure what you mean by useful language feature. I think the R feature would be good to use if the variable, if you need to actually put a variable in your script, maybe, I mean, what other ways could we use R, to be fair? Yeah, it's useful for regex if you have escape sequences in the string. So it's useful if you need to actually put it in the words. Okay. Regex heavily rely on that. I suppose it's easier than escaping backslashes. Okay. R is good if you want something that's not ABS or 1, 2, 3s. Or ABCs or 1, 2, 3s. Okay. So what other ways would we use R? Just real quick. Like actual characters that aren't letters or numbers. Like the special characters. See how it breaks / works? Try to print with triple quotes. Multiple lines with double, etc. Whenever you don't want characters escaping in the string. Okay, so what do you mean, Yemi, by try to print with multiple quote or triple quotes? So we do print parentheses. Oh wait. Is it 3? Do I put 3 here? Oh, wait. When you say no experience, do you mean no game dev experience, no programming experience whatsoever? I mean no experience at all in anything. So we're day 13 total of making a game. I took a little bit of break, like a 2-week, 3-week break. We've messed with Unreal Engine 5 a little bit. I can show you guys what I have in Unreal Engine just so you can see so far. We're using Lyra as a backbone, so that's doing a lot of heavy lifting for us. But we need to change the game mechanics a little bit. Is it the 2 quotes and then the 1 quote, or is it two quotes? Sometimes I really think you should get arrested for being a bad mother to your kids. Kids from work just had an awful day yesterday because of mom, and today ain't starting great for him. I don't think that was for me, but hey, I will accept it because I know you probably just needed to get that out. I love you, Stanley. I can only imagine, brother. I can only imagine. Yeah, so we have no experience whatsoever. He said, yeah, I understand. 1000%. 1000%. You good. I'm like, I'm not a damn bad mom, Stanley. I'm a good mom. I love you all. All right. So so we need to type, sorry, I got sidetracked there. Just had a shit news from work. Yeah, bro. I can only imagine. Those kids be going through it. Okay, so what do I need? Try print, add actual break lines here. Then do with triple quotes. The idea is for you to see why you need to do those. Okay, so yeah, let me do this. Okay, add dish pit with the follow. To teach yourself how to code, one must first imagine Sisyphus happy. Sisyphus happy, okay? But hell yeah, brother, keep it up. You've got this. I'm a self-taught dev and built a career for myself coming out of the restaurant industry. So I know you can do this. Listen, bro, same. I mean, I was a bartender for years. Now I'm in logistics, but yeah, I'm excited to see what this comes. Actual line breaks, press enter in the keyboard. Okay, so we need to try to print actual line breaks here. So print, so just press enter like this. And then press F5. Up. Okay, I didn't like that. Okay, line break. And then do it with the triple quote. Missing a double quote. Oh, we have to do the double quote at the end. Nope. Why does it do... Okay, maybe I'm a dumbass. Why does it do 2 double quotes? Press enter. Now F5. Press delete instead of backspace. You only need 2 double quotes. Okay. So, enter. We need a double quote, delete, and then we need a parentheses like that. F5. So the idea is for you to see with only 2 quotes, you can't do a line, it won't work. But if you add 3 quotes, it will. 3 double quotes, like that. Oh, shit. Multiple lines. Three double quotes worked. 3 single quotes. Quote, quote, quote. Well, 3 double quotes work too. If you add 3, it works. Ah, okay. The development program anticipates a double quote closing the string. It's supposed to be a quality of life feature. Okay, so double quote closes. Triple quote. Same line. Wait, are we backpedaling here, chat? Are we backpedaling here? What's going on here? Okay, so double quote definitely does not work. Triple quote, I see this. We could do either the double triple quote or the single triple quote. What am I saying, dude? I'm going to go to work, talk about this shit. Nobody's going to know what I'm talking about. Words, next line, words. Works. That's the difference between 1 and 3 quotes. I think with that you tested everything you read so far. I think with that you tested everything that we read so far. Okay. Then I feel okay with that. Where did we leave off? Raw strings? Okay, we're already there. I think we're on variable. Is doing some surprisingly advanced inferences here to figure out this is not a syntax error. What, down all this shit down here? All this stuff? In anger? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Go back to variables. Read that again to me. To escape, double quotes, if you want them to be a part of a string. Okay. Variables can be numbers, text, lists, sets, and more. Okay. It's all right, check. It's okay. It's okay. We'll keep going. We'll try not to get hung up on this one. What is an ASCII? Hold on. What's an ASCII, chat? I'm sorry. What is an ASCII? Somebody help your boy. What the hell is an ASCII? Also, what is that? Oh, that's my phone screen. I was like, what is that? Yeah, that's my phone screen. Oh, an asterisk? They're literally symbols in Python. ASCII, American text encoding. Doom set. Okay, all those weird. Okay. Okay. A special sequence of bits used to represent a variety of characters. Okay. Does the system do save characters? Not save, but represent. Okay. And I am going to be using these quite a bit, right? What the fuck did you just say to me? Hold on. Let me take a second to kind of try to understand this. Examples of valid identifier names are I, name, underscore 2, 3, 2, and 3. Yeah, the group of pixels that represent the character X on your screen can be represented by different bit sequences under the hood. Depending on what encoding is used, ASCII is one of the older standards that still sees use. Typically, anytime you type something, you're using ASCII characters, okay? Sometimes Unicode, depending on what platform you're using. I believe most modern systems default to Unicode nowadays, since you get a larger variety of characters than ASCII. If memory/storage is a concern and you're needing to represent English characters, use ASCII. For everything else, use Unicode. Okay, I believe the most modern systems default to Unicode nowadays. Since you get a larger variety of characters than ASCII, if memory/storage is a concern, and you're only needing to represent English characters, use ASCII. For everything else, use Unicode. I am buying more storage soon. It is a concern right now, but I am buying more storage soon. Okay, so the group of pixels that represent the character X on your screen can be represented by different bit sequences under the hood, depending on what encoding is used. ASCII is one of the oldest standards that still sees use. ASCII is for, so is that just like a different language? ASCII is for when you count your total memory in kilobytes or less. Emojis are a good example of Unicode. They are not representable in ASCII's, as they usually 2 bytes instead of ASCII's 1 byte limit. Okay. 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 I think I understand. Because whenever you put in some symbols on your phone, like a bunch of random symbols. By the way, Powder, sorry. I thought it was going to be way faster to go through these. Learned years ago and didn't account for the first time when dealing with code. Could be, oh, no, don't be sorry. Honestly, Yami, I appreciate you so fucking much for like taking the time out to like go find all these documents for me to read, like to help me. Like, you've helped me out so much. Definitely do not feel sorry. I mean, I need to learn it. If I want to make a game, I need to learn how to code and stuff. So it's just a matter, like, you guys just get to watch the process of me learning. You guys are kind of like my teachers right now. So you guys get to watch it. But, like, trust me, I'm not going to get frustrated or anything. I just got to, like, make it work or sound the way I like it. But no, the fact that you got all these documents, bro, are good. For sure. For sure. For sure. This is good. This is good for us. So I noticed, like, whenever you put a bunch of random characters on your keyboard, it'll sometimes pull up the emoji. That makes sense. A sequence of characters. Okay. Sensei. Yeah. He is my sensei, bro. He is. Yeah. Oh, speaking of that, Yami, I'm making t-shirts tonight. Will you DM me your size? And then I'll press you a couple t-shirts tonight. Just send me a DM on Discord. If you guys are new here, we make our own merch, and you guys can watch our merch stream tonight at 10 Central. It is going to be about, I want to say 10 hours from now. 12 hours from now. About 12 hours from now, we'll be coming back. I have to go to work here in a little bit. So I'll be at work for 9 hours, come home, and then we'll do a couple hour stream making some t-shirts. I'm super excited. Yes, as soon as the stream's in, I'll DM you with the rest of the stuff. Cool. So what will happen, Yami, is don't send me your shipping information right away. Whenever you do DM me your shipping information, I'll create your label and then I'll ask you to delete that comment in our DMs. That way there's never a chance that I accidentally open a DM and boom, your address is there. Like I try not to dox anybody. So once you give it to me, I'll create the label and then I'll say, okay, go ahead and delete it, and then boom, that it'll be gone. But yeah, so right now all I need is your size, and then when I'm ready to ship it, then I'll ask you for like your shipping information. But yeah, just your size. Let's see. Okay, so ASCII is a different character encoding standard that covers the common North American character set with very short bit sequence length. Oh, medium? Oh, okay. Shit, medium? That's easy. I think I got a couple. I got white and gray. I need to order... Oh, fuck, what day is it? It's the 23rd. Shit. We're supposed to be coming out with new t-shirt colors. 23rd. Chat, what category should my next merch thing be? Sorry, I'm getting distracted. I'm thinking about doing pixelated. I don't know yet. We did cosmic theme this last theme, but thinking pixelated. All right, so let's see. The ASCII standard, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, was laid out in 1972 in the time of punch card. The mainframe computing, a kilobyte was a lot of memory back then. You can buy 1 billion times that for $12 now. Also, from what it's worth, if you're wanting to do game development, I highly recommend learning C# instead of Python. It's a little more difficult than Python is, but is more worth learning. Microsoft has an insanely good learning resource for it too, designed for people that haven't programmed before. Okay, I think we're definitely going to dive into C# because we need to, especially for Unreal Engine. I think Unreal Engine does C++. And I know for game development, I know you're going to say, why'd you start with Unreal Engine? Well, when I got into this, Pirate Software said, do not start with Unreal Engine. It's the hardest one to learn. So I said, with no knowledge, that's the one I'm going to learn. So, and the only knowledge I'll have. So we're starting with that. So it's C++, I believe. But I think the idea behind this Python is just to get the understanding of how coding works. I think. C++, C# builds for builds codes, and Python is for editor scripting. I got you. Yeah, I mean, this is good because it gives me the fundamentals of coding in general. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is good for sure. Again, like, I'm sure, like, we're going to forget some of this, maybe a lot of this, and we'll have to reference back. But the good thing is to be able to work through this and, like, see where it's going wrong, stuff like that. Unity is C#, Unreal is C++. Unity has a better dev experience than Unreal. And they have much better documentation. Yeah, I heard everybody tells me to just start with Unity. But, I mean, I didn't start this challenge to be easy, you know what I mean? So we're gonna keep on keeping on. I'm not gonna give up on Unreal. I know it's the hardest, but it'll be worth it for sure. It'll be worth it. I think it'll be good. I'm excited. Wait, is PyCharm a new program? VS Code? It's just, oh. Okay. Run the interpreter with the command Python program to run the program. Using variables and literal constants, type and run the following program. File name vrpy. Okay, example using variables. Type it. Wait, what is this? Okay. For other editors, open your editor. Is this just starting it up? So what is program? Do I type that in here? Do we type program dot py? Do I type that? What happens? Let's see. Exception has occurred. Name error. The name program is not defined. Okay, we need to define what program means. It's telling you to create a new file to do exercises related to variables. Is the name, wait, star. Oh, you did the .py. Is the name file. Oh, okay, so we need to go to a whole new file. We need to do a whole new file. So do we come up here and do new file? And we're going to do program.py. If you really want to go balls to the wall for the challenge, learn C. It's a simple language but powerful enough to blow your whole leg off. Okay, pair it with either SDL2 or RayLib for a graphics library, and you're in business. It runs on basically everything. Most operating systems are written in it. Python is written in it. It powers the world at a very low level. It's unnecessary to learn nowadays, but the foundations are good to have. Okay, that sounds actually kind of intriguing. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really know what language is good for learning. You could prioritize transferability, simplicity, resemblance to natural language, or actual future use cases. All of these are practically impossible to balance. My respective picks would be C, Lua, Python, C++. Some of these are harder than others. Okay. C is not an easy language, but is effective, and the language almost every other language mimics. That's what Dishpit was saying, right? And it teaches you all the fundamentals because everything uses will blow your leg off. Oh, it teaches you fundamentals because everything else will blow your leg off. I feel like my leg's getting blown off right the fuck now, if I'm gonna be honest with you. No, we're good. We're good. C? Okay. I mean, we could do that. We could do that. So here's also the issue as well. Is I think the biggest challenge we have in this is our time. We don't have enough time. We only do this like once or twice a week. I wasn't gonna do game dev tomorrow morning, but I might now. Yeah. I am gonna probably work over the weekend on this off stream though. I'm gonna work on this over the weekend off stream. I'm trying to think. I mean, I would be down to go down that rabbit hole to learn C. It sounds like, I mean, if that's what everything's leaning off of, that's fine. But yeah, I mean, I don't even really know, to be honest. That's the thing. That's also just rabbit holing. Your best bet is to get familiar with Python, then dive in with a language known for game devs such as C#, C++, instead of going very roundabout with C. Don't do it. Yami said don't. Okay. Hey, listen, chat. If there's one thing I gotta say, I trust Yami. Yami has my back. Yami said don't fucking do it. And Yami knows me. Yami knows me. He's like, powder, don't. Don't. If it's time, if time is a problem, Python or your target language C++ is probably the best bet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Yemi knows me and how I work. Yemi's been around for a little bit. So I trust Yemi. Okay. We're chilling. Hey, listen, we're chilling. I know, like, here's the thing too. Like, I know you guys got a lot of experience. So like seeing a newbie making like the little simple errors or just not like grasping it, you're probably like, oh, what are you doing? But we'll get there. All right, so it said run the where are we at over here? Program PY. Were we about to do this? PY charm, we're not in that. Okay, so open your editor, type the program code given to the example, save it as the file name mentioned, which is the PY, right? We were all right where you are at one point. True. That is true. For sure. Okay. So where did I make this? Oh, yeah. Run the interpreter with the command Python program.py to run the program. Do I put program py in here? Just to give you context of my reasoning, Python you may use with editor scripting for Unreal Engine 5 and scripting in Blender if needed. Lemon, welcome back, Lemon. Good to see you, homie. Python and scripting in Blender if needed. Also, it is the straightest / simplest path. After that, you'll eventually learn C++. Okay. Yo, Lemon, welcome back. How you doing, homie? Good to see you. It's been a while. Could be a couple days. Sorry I'm late. I've been at school. Just got home an hour ago. No worries, Lemon. We're hanging out, chilling. If this covers a use case, Python just shot up to undisputed #1. So I am trying to learn Blender as well. We made our shipping container in Blender. Flip, first time chat, everybody give a warm welcome. I think Python is is one of the best languages to start with. Want to make a game, use Godot with Python syntax. Yes, I was asleep last year, no worries. Hey, what up? What up? Welcome in, Flip. How you doing, bro? We are surviving and thriving. Okay, so what is it telling me to do here, chat? Okay, so open up your editor of choice, which is this. What is this called? Something code. What is this called? What's this program called? PS Code or something? Write program, run program. Okay? That's all it wants me to write is just program? Lemon said, I'm so tired. Me too, Lemon. I'm ready for bed. I ain't gonna lie. Save it as a file with the file name mentioned. Okay? Run the interpreter with the command Python program.py to run the program. So I type in Python program or do I just hit F5? F5 ain't doing shit. All right. I think the classic test print is just print. So I need to write print. Ow. Powder, you good if I vent? Bro, I'm always good if you vent. This is a safe space. My internet's shit right now? No worries. Create a new file and paste the code in it. Code in. Then the first one will run the program. But what's the code? Hello world. Okay, so I did hello world. Right. Then save it somewhere in the file system and run it. I'm sorry. I do not understand what you're talking about. What do you mean run it? What am I running? What are we doing? We're trying to learn the print hello world. Okay. After the hashtag file name has the code that you should follow. Yeah, Powder's learning Python. I'm learning Python. F5. I press F5. Okay, hello world. Okay. So it says, oh, we need to do var py is what we need to put. Okay. F5. John had a visit with mom yesterday from 4 to 9 p.m. John is a kid from work I've basically been a father to for the last 3 years, and they were planning on going swimming and going out to eat dinner. Also, mom promised John a PS5. John has been looking forward to this visit for a while. Well, mom didn't show yesterday. Damn, bro. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. That poor kid, bro. I know that kid. Oh, I know that had to hurt, bro. You probably should take him out for like ice cream. John wasn't seeing mom for like 3 months. Yeah, bro, that's sad. I know that's probably all he wanted. Also, if you guys are trying to do the .py, you have to put a space. Yeah, that's unfortunate. No, it's the name of the file. You can ignore it. Oh, the stuff below. Okay. Is a new file. I don't know what the star was. I'm sorry. Penguin. Welcome back. Welcome in. And brother's going to jail, so he really has nobody else. As long as, listen, the thing I think about, like, it's so unfortunate what those kids go through, but they are so fortunate to have somebody like you in their life that actually gives a shit. Because, I mean, the sad truth is a lot of these homes, these kids get put through hell and back, bro. You know what I mean? So, like, it's just a good thing that they have somebody that actually gives a shit in their lives at the end of the day. py is the file name. Okay, .py is the file name. The stuff below. Okay, so we need to not do this. We need to take that out. Okay, so we need to do this stuff. Oh, I equals 5. So we need to tell what the variables are going to be. So I equals 5. I equals 5. Enter. Print. I equals I plus hold on. I equals I plus 1 print I F5. Okay, we got some issues here. Print I. var. Where is var at? Save your file. File. Save it. Then rerun. Hello world 5 6. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. I equals 5. Example of using variables in literal constants. Variables. Type and run the following program. I equals 5. But what I'm confused at, like, why is this practical? Why could I not just put 5? You know what I mean? Why do I have to change I to a number? Like, why do that? What would be a situation where I would do that is my question. Because, like, so that's what gets me the most. Like, this right here just does not make sense. Why even try to have to do that? Guess who still hasn't found their TV remote? No, not the TV remote. No way, Lemon. Doom says, damn, ask Stanley, this kid is 10 years old, and before my foster house, he hasn't been in a place for more than 4 months. Day mom got her kids taken away the day she was doing coke in a hotel with the kids in the room. Is fucking terrible to see, bro. Terrible to see. Yeah, unfortunately, when I was growing up, I had to witness my dad doing a lot of drugs. So I know that kid fucking seen some shit. Like, I knew about drugs way before I should have, chat. And, like, I can only imagine what that kid's going through for real. Like, but he's still hopeful, which is the sad part for him, the unfortunate part for him, that he's still hopeful that there's going to be a relationship. When he gets old enough, and I promise you, he's going to realize that it's not on him, and he'll realize, like, that addiction's a crazy fucking thing, like I did, to be honest. For the longest, I just couldn't understand why my dad was like that, but, like, once I got old enough, I didn't see him for a couple years. I went back to see him right before I was college. And then I realized he kind of didn't change. And then that's when it clicked for me, like, okay, I can't down myself for his actions. So I guarantee your kid is going to do the same thing, bro. Like, he's just going to realize, okay, it's not my fault. It's going to suck though, but once he gets to that age, he'll know. He'll understand. I promise. He will. That is tough though for him, man. All thoughts and prayers for him. To just get through it, because I'm sure he's just confused on why his mom doesn't want to see him at 10. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's see. Let's say you have the speed of a character that's in a variable. The speed of an AI in other, okay? And you want to match both. You need to access the variables kind of in this way. Let's say you have the speed of a character. So if the speed is just labeled as a variable, like, for instance, if speed equals I and I equals 5, then if we wanted to up the speed, we could make I equals 6, 7, 8, kind of like that. The program itself is not important. The guide wants you to learn how to work with the tools outside of the IDE. Okay. Y equals MX. That might confuse me, Doom. Yeah, that does suck. That does suck for sure. But honestly, I like I said, bro, he's gonna learn that it wasn't his mom himself that was feeling that way, that didn't want to show up. It was the addiction. Like, he'll learn the difference. It's going to suck right now, but I promise you, he'll learn. He will. Addiction's fucking crazy, chat. For real, it changes you for the worst. You are running programs linearly. As of now, in a game engine is jumping around, okay, and retrieving stuff from a bunch of places. The variables and methods make you access stuff at the time of execution. This so it's teaching you the concept of accessing variables and modifying them. Okay. I feel for the kid. Yeah, me too, man. That's all you can do, though. You know what I mean? That's just so unfortunate. But like I said, I mean, it's not the mom herself. It's the drugs, man. Drugs are crazy. As for why variables are important, they are countably an infinite number of inputs, and you cannot escape symbolic defining some procedures of all of them for all of them. I think my brain's fried. I think I forgot how to read. My friends better pray I don't find that remote, because when I do, I get on Minecraft. I'm going to start a war. A war where? Sending all my love for that kid. Anyways, I got a doctor's appointment to go to. Have a great day, everyone. Stanley, thank you so much for hanging out, man. Prayers for that kid. That's so unfortunate. If you're able to, man, maybe go get him some ice cream or something. I don't know. What sucks is that his hopes were up so high for that PS5. But he's going to learn to not do that. He's going to learn not to get his hopes up. I promise you. He'll get through it, man. That's fucking tough, though. Addiction's crazy. Or speed equals acceleration times time plus initial speed. Sending all my love to that kid. Yeah, we got to. Yeah, bro. That's so unfortunate. That's so sad. Okay, so as far as why variables are important, there are countably infinite numbers and inputs that cannot be symbolically defining some procedures for all of them. Okay. Suppose you want a program that takes a integer and gives you the next one. You cannot define this function by listing the correct number for every input number. You have to define it symbolically with variables. Suppose you want a program that takes an integer and gives you the next one. You cannot define the function by listing the correct number for every input number. You define it symbolically with variables. Okay. Lemon says, one of my friends' friends had a similar situation. Yeah, bro. It's unfortunate, man. Addiction's crazy. Addiction's crazy, man. I had a drinking problem in my early 20s up until my mid 20s. For real. Addiction is crazy. As soon as you start messing with functions, everything will click in place. Okay. Let's keep on keeping on then. Let's not go crazy. Okay. So 5, 6, output 5, 6 plus 1. Yes, we got that. Print S equals, this line is a multi-line string. What's an S equals? Are we skipping the IDE external tools then? What is that? Okay. Lemon says, what the fuck is going on? We're learning how to do code here. Lemon, here, let me show you what we're trying to do so you guys know. Let me show you just what time it is. It's 10:50. Okay, I mean, that's a good spot to stop anyways. My brain's fried. Here, let me show you guys what we've been working on. Unreal Engine. Where is Unreal Engine? Let me show you guys Unreal Engine. All right. Lemon says, what the fuck's going on? I feel you. I feel you. Yeah, we got to wrap it up anyways here soon. So I'm trying to think. We're almost at the end of this. I wasn't going to do game development tomorrow morning, but I think I might now. I was going to do Red Dead Redemption tomorrow morning, but I think we'll be back on game development. So originally, we were going to do everything from our own, from scratch, which is this first map. Well, now Yemi told us about Lyra, which kind of takes what we want and does a lot of the legwork. So it makes like the cross-play aspect of the game, the multiplayer aspect of the game, and allows us to host our game on a server as well, all with Lyra, which is crazy. So we're kind of learning, what we're learning code for is to then be able to try and change some of the aspects of Lyra. For example, I need to go to maps. Wait, where is it? Shooter Explorer content? No. Shooter core content. Weapons, maps, new map. You know a little bit of code. Okay, yep. So this is our map. So this is our game so far. So it's a shooter game. There's spawners that... Oh, he stole both of them. Basically, you get 1 life whenever a new match starts. So we just won because we got both of them. So that's round 1. We get 1 point. They get 0. Basically is all it does. And it should respawn us. So what I need it to do is to keep the score. So we need to kind of learn code that way. I also need to learn how to do keep the spawns on one side. Stuff like that. So we're doing kind of a shooting game like this. Okay. Sorry, there's no sound. No sound. So we got me. So we got defeated. We're gonna change like the UI and like the colors and everything and make it look our own. Cause this is the Lyra default. But at the core of it, this is what our game's gonna be. It's gonna be the first team to 6. First team to 6. And also, like, we gotta make it to where bots pathfind differently if we can eventually, because they go the same pathway every time. Ideally, once we release the game, it'll be players in here, not bots. 10 to noon for me. Wait, it's only 10 right now for you? Yeah, so this is kind of what our game looks like. Our first map and the concept of the game so far. Nothing too crazy. Oh, I need to make that floor solid. We still got to add textures to everything, but overall, this is what we have so far. So yeah. And it even has like the dash ability. So that's what it looks like, chat. I mean, we're gonna make it to where you can have your meta-human. Where you can create a meta-human and everybody's character is gonna be looking different and all that good stuff. But I'm super excited. This is awesome. That is awesome. Thank you. So that's kind of what we've been, trying to learn. I can show you guys my first one. Stop playing. File. Open project. This was my open a copy. This was my very first one. Creating copy of project. Oh, I wonder because it's in 5.4 and I'm in 5.5. So this was my very first map. I think I'm going to recreate this map to be one of our maps on Lyra, but we'll see. So we'll do this one really quick, and then we're probably going to raid out for the day. Does anybody have any suggestions on a raid? We'll check on and see who we follow first, and then we'll do suggestions after. But if anybody has a suggestion, let me know. Oh no, did I just break that? I think I just broke that. I probably just need to super glue that bad boy in there. Joe is live again. Joe, is he doing Minecraft? Is he doing Minecraft? Let me see. Yeah, another W day, man. Another W day. W day for the game development. It's been a lot of fun. Oh god, I can hear it. If this would work, that'd be great. 42%. Damn. All right, so I need to make sure I save this. Python basics. Save. Boom. So we'll come back on this. Where were we off? We left off on how it works. I am going to make that pink just so I know, and we're going to continue this. We need to exit this because I think Unreal Engine's about to load. Yeah, Unreal Engine's sure trying to make it sane. Facts. The textures are loading in as well. So, holy shit. I didn't even know I had that much stuff in here. So here's my first map. It's a little outdoor map. Ignore all the white. That's supposed to be grass. I don't know why. It's all messed up. So this is what our first map looked like. The shipping containers. The shipping containers are what started this journey of learning other programs. That I was like, I don't like how my shipping containers are looking. So I need to go make my own shipping container. So what we did after this was, okay, now that we have the shipping container, let me learn how to use another program, which is Blender. And in Blender, if you guys don't know, you can make fucking anything in. So in Blender, what we did was, I think it's this one. We made our own shipping container, and we learned how to make the paint peel and show exposed metal so it shines in the sunlight. So we did this in Blender, which is really fucking cool. Everything hurts at the moment. So we did this in Blender, which is really fucking cool, and we're still going to use this. And this is technically like our first asset that we've ever made. So now that we've made our shipping container, we are learning about Lyra, which, like I said, takes a lot of the back end work. It's going to be able to make it crossplay for us and all that good stuff. It takes the base fundamentals of the shooter game that we need and puts it in for us. So now we can kind of plug and play and do what we want. But that's kind of been the journey so far. So, I mean, honestly, not bad. Not bad. You know what I mean? Doom said, oof. Wait, oof what? Oof what? I think the shipping container turned out really good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I like how it shines. I really do like this. I really do like this. So, yeah. That's it, chat. Man, that's it. Oh, God, flashbang warning. Holy shit. All right, chat. Let's see who we got following. If we ain't got nobody following, then we definitely rate out Joe again. Joe is surviving and thriving. Playing some Marvel Rivals up top. Iron 7 with some RuneScape. Damn, I haven't seen RuneScape in a while. Smoothly playing some Marvel Rivals. Gold round 2. Yo, Nap with the follow. Welcome in. Container ended up pretty nice. I agree as well. I like it. The only downside is the textures won't transfer to Unreal Engine like we talked about. So I have to learn how to retexture, but in Unreal Engine, which is fine. I'm not worried about it. Joe is streaming again. Honestly, I might go here. This guy's vibing. I might go here. We rated him not too long ago. Chat, let's go here. Let's show some love, man. Let's show some love. If you guys are new here, I just want to say thank you for being here. You guys have been awesome, treating me well. Unfortunately, I do got to get ready for work and start today. I got to start today. We will be back tonight, though. We will be making merch tonight. Nep said, how are you doing today? I'm doing good, bro. How are you doing? We are ending for the night. If you guys are not subbed, that is okay. Copy and paste the first message. If you guys are subbed, I want to say thank you guys so much. I think we have 113 beautiful faces in chat. Cannot thank you guys enough for your continued support. Copy and paste the second one. That's for you guys. Nep, we are at the end of the stream, unfortunately. Nepal, sorry. I should just call you Nepal. Nepal, we're at the end of the stream, unfortunately. But we'll be live 10 Central tonight making t-shirts in any orders that come through. So everybody that stopped by the stream, I just want to say thank you guys so much. And as always, chat, stay classy. I'm out. Peace.